Today, we're diving into the Goplus Compact Folding Treadmill, a game-changer for those seeking a convenient and effective home workout solution. First off, let's talk about the low noise feature. With a 1 HP motor drive system, this treadmill ensures a stable and quiet operation, so you can run without disturbing anyone around. The space-saving design is a standout feature. Measuring 46 inches by 20 inches by 43 inches when fully set up, and a mere 9 inches by 23 inches by 51 inches when folded, this treadmill is perfect for any room. Stash it near a shelf or under your bed, it's that compact. Now, onto the operation display. The round panel provides all the essential information: start-stop, speed, distance, calories, and time. Plus, you have the flexibility to choose between auto mode and manual mode, along with 12 built-in workout programs to suit your fitness needs. Safety is a top priority. The safety key ensures a quick emergency stop, connecting you to the machine for added security during your workout sessions. Wrapping it up, Goplus offers a 100% risk-free satisfaction customer service guarantee, emphasizing durability, portability, and high quality. If you're in the market for a reliable and compact treadmill, the Goplus Compact Folding Treadmill might just be your ideal fitness companion. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.